Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The treatment for persons with HIV is more accessible and in most cases free of cost in Jamaica, but stigma remains a problem. Jamaica Pullen tells us more in the Health Report.
The human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, infects and destroys cells in one's immune system. As a result, infectious diseases specialist Dr. Kathy Pate Robinson says this makes it difficult to fight off other diseases.
What it does once it gets into your body systems, it infects certain of your immune system cells called CD4 positive cells. Those are cells that have specific markers on them. Some of them are lymphocytes, a type of white blood cells. Some are in the nervous system, some are in the tissues. But they have an immune function to regulate your immune system. When the virus gets into these cells, it hijacks the cellular machinery.
According to data from the Ministry of Health, it is estimated some 30,000 Jamaicans are currently living with the condition. However, a number of them are unaware of their status because they may not have any symptoms. But Dr. Pate Robinson says they do.
You might have rashes on your skin that you didn't have before. You might get thrush in your mouth because, you can't protect yourself from some kinds of germs. Might be losing weight, have diarrhea. The hair may change because your ability to absorb nutrients can sometimes be altered. And so you might become malnourished because your body can't manage the nutrition that you need and cannot really absorb it or keep it.
There is no cure, but there are several treatment options. Yet, Dr. Pate Robinson says persons are still afraid to come forward for treatment.
A lot of people, without meaning to or thinking about it, still feel that if you have HIV, it's your fault. You did it to yourself. That's not true. But that, in a lot of ways, is the underlying root of a lot of stigma and discrimination, apart from fear because of not enough information. So there's still some people who are afraid of hugging somebody with HIV, even though you can't catch it that way.
Persons can reduce their risk of HIV by becoming aware of the condition and using protection during sexual intercourse. With your Health Report, I'm Jamaica Pullen, wishing you good health.